All right, again, we have the distributive property here. We can see in this equation that we have 6 times whatever's in this parentheses, which means we're going to need to use our distributive property. So our objective when we're trying to solve for x is to isolate the variable. And the first question we're going to ask is, can we simplify? Can we simplify? And we're going to use that distributive property in order to simplify. So let's go ahead and draw that box diagram just like we have. We're going to take what's on the left of the parentheses, put it on the left of the box. And then whatever's inside, put on top 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. So 6 times a positive 5 is 30, positive 30. And 6 times 2 is 12x. So 12x plus 30. Go ahead and put this up here. 12x plus 30. And then we'll bring the rest of our equation down. So 12x plus 30 minus 10 equals 8. So now we have to keep in mind that question, can we simplify? So looking at our equation here, I'm going to look for some like terms. So those are terms that have the same variable. There's only one term that has the variable x, but I can see that I have 2 terms here that don't have any variable, 2 constant terms, which means I can simplify those. So I can combine those together. So 30 minus 10 is 20. 12x plus 20 equals 8. Now I'm down to a 2-step equation again, which means I'm going to make my constant equal 0 using inverse operations. 12x plus 20. The opposite of adding 20 is to subtract 20. Everything I do on the left, I have to do on the right. On the left side, 20 minus 20 is 0, so those cancel out. 8 minus 20 is negative 12. So I have 12x equals negative 12. I need to make my coefficient equal 1 using inverse operations. 12x is 12 times x, so I need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1, which leaves me with x equals negative 1. Now don't forget to check your work and then get started working on this one over here.